Hey there, this is Jonathan from Catapult Case, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to install JunctionRelay on your Windows computer. Let's get started. I'm going to open up my Chrome browser and go to JunctionRelay.com. Scroll down to the bottom and then get to the GitHub page. And you can see the latest releases over here on the right. Let's go ahead and download the latest release. Downloads will be fine. And you'll notice here that it includes the tray manager, the server, and a virtual device. The server and virtual device are optional. You only need to install what you want. Okay, I'm going to start the installer, decide where I want it installed, and as I say, the tray manager is just there to help you manage whatever you do decide to install. You could, if you are planning to stream to a virtual device, install the virtual device on this machine. If this is where you're going to centrally run the server, you only need to install the server. I'm going to move through real quick. Okay, once JunctionRelay is installed, you can go down to the tray icon, right click, and if it's not already started, you can go ahead and press Start Server and decide if you want that to happen whenever you launch Windows. But the front end of JunctionRelay is all in the browser, so you can go ahead and open the dashboard here or navigate to this URL anytime you need to. And that's it. This is ready to set up and configure.